Hello, this is James. Now I'm in Turkey in my customer factory. Behind me is a big water pellet line. Its capacity is 10 times power. Now let's see the beautiful the city. I really like the weather here. It's sunny and very beautiful. And this line is capacity is 10 times power. But according to your raw material situation, maybe the design is different. Now just let's see how we design the line for that. So first we will check the raw materials. The customer have two kinds of raw materials. First is the sawdust. All the sawdust will fit into this pit. This pit for fitting the sawdust. All the sawdust raw material will fit in here. And another kind of raw material is wood chips. Here we have a wooden chip machine. Here. Customer have a lot of wood waste raw materials. All the wood waste will fit into the wood chipper and become wood chips. For this customer, we select the YMPG 218 model. This wood chipper, its capacity is 10 times power, and the main motor is 110 kW. According to your request, maybe we will use a big model for you. Anyway, with the chipper, we'll make all the raw materials to small chips. And all the chips will storage in another cell here. Here we'll storage some chips. Okay, so here is the first section. First section for storage the raw material. Here we go. Now we are in the workshop. Here is the second section, the hammer mill section. On my left is a two-side hammer mill. And on my right is another two-side hammer mill. So totally four sides hammer mill. Its total capacity range, each hammer mill, its capacity is about 4 tons power. So totally it is about 16 to 18 tons power. Capacity is very big. All the hammer mill will make a lot of sawdust. And all the sawdust will fit into this big belt conveyor. All the sawdust will transport the buffer silo by this belt conveyor. And here, this is the magnet belt conveyor. It can remove all the metals. And all the sawdust will fit into this buffer silo. This is the hydraulic buffer silo. It is 100 step. We can also make it bigger. And all the raw material will fit into two-side dryer. On my left is one dryer. On my right is another dryer. So we totally two dryers. All the sawdust pass the grading section and become sawdust. Then they will go to the dryer and reduce the moisture. Normally, we will reduce moisture to 12 to 15%. It is perfect to making pellet. So all the dry sawdust will feed into the buffer silo first. That is the small buffer silo. Yeah, this one. Also, dust first will feed into this buffer silo, and from this buffer silo, we'll go to the second hammer mill, the big one. Okay, the big one is the second hammer mill. The second hammer mill will make the sawdust size smaller. Right now, inside the hammer mill, the screen size is 8 or 10 millimeters, so we can get the perfect sawdust size. All the sawdust will go to a big silo outside. Later we will check the silo. Then all the sawdust will from the silo to the pellet mill section. have 3 sets pellet mill. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Meantime, we prepare the number 4 machine. Right now it is not standby, but we prepare the space. In the future, if customer want to increase the capacity, just add 1 more pellet mill here, the capacity will increase a lot. Now, the 3 sets machine are running. The pellet mill, its model is our biggest model. It is YGKG80. The main motor, the power is 220 kW, and each machine, its capacity is 3 to 4 tons per hour. So all the pellet will buy this big angle bed conveyor, go to our coating machine. As you see, we have 2 coating machines. Each one is capacity around 5 tons per hour. So the coating machine will reduce the temperature very quickly. After the coating machine, here we have a vibrator screener. Vibrator screener will get good quality pellet and separate all the dust. After the coating machine, we go to the packing section. Yes, there is another big angle bed here. And then the packing machine. Automatic packing machine. After it's finished, here we have another machine storage of the pellet like this. Outside, here, of the packing machine, you can wait in the bags, you can wait it, and then all the pallet will storage, all the pallet will storage here. Here, my customer has a very big arrow for storage all the pellet. It will sell to the final customers. So we can say this is the complete 10 ton power of the pallet line. If you have such a request, you can contact me. I will help you make the perfect decision. Thank you. Bye bye.